Hi everyone, it's Francis Moment again. Today I want to show you how to install YouTube on your PC or laptop. So once you go to Google Chrome and just type in youtube.com, and on the top right you will see an icon there where you can click and install YouTube on your PC. So initially I went to the search engine, Google Chrome, and I typed in key terms asking for an application to install on PC, and I tried all the options given, and I was directed to a lot of places where I'm not getting what I'm supposed to, or the results that I'm looking for. And until I found a option where it plainly told me that you are to go back to search engine and go to youtube.com, and then on the top right there will be an icon there for you to install YouTube. So when I returned to my search engine and typed in youtube.com, and when I went to that site, there was that on the top right the option to install YouTube. Anyway, once the icon was clicked on and into YouTube was installed, I realized that the um, the parts on the website is on my YouTube channel. The icons are very small, tiny, and I find it hard to read. So on the top right where my profile is, notification button and search options were so tiny that I could not read each of those parts. So I tried all the settings. There might be a better setting, but finally I increased the zoom, right? On my keypad I just put my two fingers together and then slide them um, away from each other, increasing the zoom, and the icons were large enough to access YouTube. So that's all from me. I hope you enjoyed. I hope it is a valuable information to others who haven't installed YouTube application and just using the search engines like Google Chrome to access YouTube. You can now go and install YouTube by just clicking the icon on the right as you go to youtube.com, and this will be your you can access YouTube through the application instead of on the search engine. So let me know how else we can download YouTube or increase the options or the parts of a YouTube. You can see now it's bright and clear and large icons are there, my profile. And thank you for watching. See you in my next video. May God bless you.